Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So as always, I'm starting out on fresh clean hair, and in the shower I used DevaCurl's No-Poo in one condition, and now I'm getting ready to deep condition. Before I apply the mask, I'm going to massage my scalp with a little bit of tea tree oil, and I'm just adding a few drops to my water bottle, and then I'm just going to spray this all over my scalp and rub it in. And you guys, this feels so good. Y'all know I love me a good scalp massage. Okay, so to deep condition my hair, I'm actually going to be mixing two hair masks. I'm adding a bit of the Deep Sea Repair to the Heaven and Hair so that I get a good balance of light protein with moisture, and I really like pairing these two together. And I'm just going to apply this in sections on damp hair just to ensure that I get the most out of my deep conditioning treatment. I always give a little extra TLC to my ends, making sure that they're well coated as well as the entire length of my hair. This plus using low heat will help my hair to absorb the product much easier. And I'm going to be deep conditioning for about 30 minutes or so. I kind of had to multitask around the house with 3J. By the way, all of these products and tools that I'm using in the video can be found in my Amazon store, so I'll make sure to link it below in the description box. So now that I've rinsed out the mask, it's time to style. First, I'm going to be using the leave-in Decadence, and I love this product because it's lightweight yet moisturizing, and it allows my hair to move. And to make sure every strand gets some love, I'm going to be raking this product throughout my entire hair in sections. And now for the superstar of this wash and go, I'm using DevaCurl's newest product called Super Stretch. I know a lot of curly girls hate shrinkage, although I don't really mind it myself, but if you do, then you're gonna love this product because it's formulated to elongate curls, hence its name. And I'm applying this a little bit differently, so instead of scrunching, I'm going to wipe this product onto my hair using the praying hands method, and this is going to further help to elongate my hair versus encouraging shrinkage with scrunching. The Super Stretch is a cream-based product, but it works like a gel. It's thick, moisturizing, and gives a lot of hold and definition without making my hair hard or crunchy. If you get a chance, you must try this out for yourself. It is so bomb, you guys. Plus, this smells amazing, and it will definitely help make your curls look longer. It's made with coconut oil, coconut water, and it has some aloe and castor oils in it as well. I basically air dried for approximately 4.5 years. That's what it felt like. But it literally took me all day, y'all. But now that my hair is 95% dry, I'm just going to be applying just a tinge of jojoba oil just to lock in all that moisture from earlier and to prevent frizz. And then I'm also going to be fluffing my hair at the roots to lift up my hair. Okay, so here's some before and after clips of my hair when it was wet versus dry, and as you can see, there's not much shrinkage at all. The super stretch really helped to elongate my curls. If you've tried the new super stretch, let me know in the comments how it worked out for you. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!